Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa Nigerian style. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of quinoa, which we'll rinse well to remove any bitterness. Then, prepare your aromatic base with a medium onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 1 vibrant bell pepper, all finely chopped. Don't forget your special blend of Nigerian spices, about 2 tablespoons, to give it that authentic flavor. This simple start ensures a delicious and healthy meal. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred vegetable oil in a sturdy pot over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them gently until they turn beautifully translucent, releasing their sweet aroma. Next, introduce the chopped tomatoes and bell pepper to the pot, stirring them in well. Let this colorful mixture cook down for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together perfectly. It's time to infuse our dish with that signature Nigerian flavor. Add your 2 tablespoons of Nigerian spices to the sautéed vegetables, stirring constantly for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, carefully pour in 2 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Finally, add your thoroughly rinsed quinoa, stirring it into the broth. Make sure the quinoa is fully submerged, ready to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Once the quinoa is in, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until all the liquid is absorbed and the quinoa is fluffy. Remove it from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes before fluffing with a fork. Serve your delicious Nigerian-style quinoa warm, perhaps with a side of grilled fish or a fresh salad. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your flavorful and healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.